Hey there, did you know that understanding music theory can actually make you a better songwriter? Yeah, it's true. Whether you're strumming your first guitar chord or composing a symphony, music theory can totally elevate your skills and creativity. Stick around, and in just 3 minutes, I'll show you the essentials that will change the way you experience music. Alright, so let's dive into it. Music theory is basically the language of music. It's all about understanding how music works, and trust me, it's super important for both musicians and music lovers. You don't need to be a brainiac to grasp it, anyone can learn the basics. And guess what? By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation that'll help you make sense of your favorite songs and even create your own. So, let's get started. Now, here's the deal, a lot of folks shy away from music theory because they think it's way too complicated or, honestly, kind of boring. I get it. We've all been there, feeling like theory is just a bunch of rules and dry concepts. But that's not the case at all. Sure, there are some terms and symbols to learn, but once you break it down, it's really just a fun way to understand the music you love. So, let's smash that misconception and get you feeling excited about diving into the theory behind the music. Let's kick things off with the basics. Notes. Notes are the building blocks of music. They come together to form scales.
A scale is a set of notes that sound good together, like the C major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Next up, we have chords.
Chords are basically when you play multiple notes together.
For example, playing C, E, and G at the same time gives you a C major chord.
Easy, right? Now, let's move to rhythm. Rhythm is all about timing and how music moves. It's what makes you want to tap your feet or dance. When you combine notes, scales, and chords with rhythm, you create a song. So, to recap, notes make up scales, scales make up chords, and rhythm ties it all together. See? It's not so scary after all. Here's the big takeaway, folks, mastering these concepts can totally transform your musical abilities. Imagine being able to confidently jam with your friends, write your own songs, or even improvise like a pro. Understanding music theory opens up a world of creativity. You'll find that you can express yourself better and connect more deeply with the music you love. So, don't sleep on this stuff, it's the key to unlocking your full potential as a musician. Alright, let's wrap this up. We've covered some essential music theory concepts today: notes, scales, chords, and rhythm. Remember, music theory isn't just for the pros, it's accessible and beneficial for everyone, whether you're a beginner or an experienced musician. So, don't be intimidated, embrace it. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite music theory concept? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I've got loads more in-depth lessons coming your way. Catch you in the next video.